Just picked up a interesting little locksmith haul. Fellow locksmith friend of mine, he got out of the business. Decided to get rid of some stuff. Actually, these are like feet or something. Oh, these are anchors. Anyways, kind of interesting. Gave me boxes of stuff, contact stuff. Auto codes, these are what you use for automobiles. You look them up, it goes off VIN numbers, I guess. Keyway stop. I haven't really messed with this kind of stuff. I don't like doing automotive stuff. Anyways, let's see, an actual explanation. Yeah, you look up series. There's books that kind of get you in the ballpark of what you're doing here with some of this stuff. Anyways, you do locksmithing, this stuff's pretty interesting. Yale and Dudley combinations. It's kind of cool. I'm not going to show all the information, but you got the serial number. It kind of, you can look up combinations for the old locks, and I'm not sure what numbers these go on to. Pretty interesting. There's more. Different years, different types of locks. Pin numbers on that one. Some old key blank catalogs. Help you identify key blanks. Good to have. You can get some of the stuff. It's still available. This has a whole bunch of different ones in it. It's got an evil cover. Oh, it's actually torn. I don't know. I must have tore the name off or something. And another old one. Not sure what the difference is. Probably just a year. That's copyright 72. Doorknobs. Anyways, these are good to have if you're trying to look up old key blanks. Kind of hard to find. There's more combinations. It allows you to have, if you find these old padlocks that are that have the, you know, the dial, and you can find the serial number on the back. This will actually give you the information to do this. It's kind of hard for me to look it up. Padlocks, whatever the serial number is, the codes and cuts, combinations, alternates. It's kind of hard to do this with two hands, but anyways, you go into some of this, and it has combinations. Kind of cool. I'm not gonna show too much. I showed at the locksmith. Show that stuff online. Here's more key blank encyclopedias. Kind of interesting. Falcon. And it's a slide chart. You slide that up and down. Shows you the code series, comparisons. Pretty neat. Anyways, getting some latches for quick set. These are good to have. They're bad pretty commonly. That little crescent piece right there, they wear out. If you have a quick set, it doesn't protect the latch all the way. It's usually because the crescent piece, it rubs right there or on the bottom. Depends on what direction you're going to turn. Sometimes you can flip them over. Turn around. Some flat steel keys and some other miscellaneous keys. These are non-cut, but some of them are pretty rare to find. This guy used to work for TWA. Back he gave me a lot of stuff. Came from the old TWA. They just tossed it, and he's a locksmith, and they told him, "Oh, you know, take it." Some of these are brand new, never been used. Anyway, functions of these storeroom, so it's always locked. Let's see, he gave me some more stuff. There's more. These are old. I like these. These are. It's never been used. Maybe, I don't know. Nowhere. Anyways, I get called out to that building all the time to do work. So some of these will actually fit still. These are for roll-up doors, I guess. Coil springs. Check out those. Give me some padlocks that are best. Never been used. They got mortise cylinders. Got anyways, key both sides. It's like institutional. I don't usually install these just because you know, you don't want a situation where the customer gets locked in. So I don't do double cylinder locks generally. I'll probably sell that actually itself. And what I mean institutional is both knobs are locked. You gotta use the key. As a locksmith, if you bond insured, you really don't want to. I don't know. It depends on the application. I'll do it in an institutional, in a commercial setting maybe, but I have to make sure that there's always a way for someone to leave the room. I don't want someone to get locked in. It's like a fire code issue. Sergeant. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool little haul. And you know, I just want to kind of show this stuff. It's not really relating to most of the other stuff on my channel, but this here is pretty cool. I picked this up, and it's should turn a light on. It's Dominion Lock Company, and this is pretty cool. Pretty cool find. Now he didn't give me this free. I had paid for it, but it's I don't know if it's a 143M. What's pretty cool about this, I don't know what year this was made. I could probably figure it out, but that's actually a 12 volt plug, and this is a 120 volt. And this key machine, let me plug it in right there. It's actually designed. Here's, yeah, works good. It has a hook right there. Keep that out of the jaws. But pretty cool, and it works. I picked it up. He said, let me fix this latch, I'm sorry. He didn't have any use for it, and it's a self-contained locksmith key machine, portable, as they say. Anyways, that's a pretty cool find. Very rare. You know, I'll never find these. It's vintage, antique. Kind of goes along with my other one I have right here. That's a vintage antique style too. I don't know. Pick it up. But I keep keys on this. I showed this in my other video, and it works too. I don't know. Yeah, it's plugged in. Works good. Anyways, just wanted to show a little haul I got over the weekend for locksmith and stuff for my business. Anyways, thanks for watching.